A nice feature for rearranging the feet or taking out those cover plates respectively is this triangle tool, which we also supply. So the triangular recess here in the cover plates and the triangular tool fit perfectly together. So these can also be used to unfasten these covers. Then the feet can be screwed in. And when the SpaceHorn stands on the feet, it's of course a little bit tedious to reach below with your hands, because the lower it gets, the less space there is for your finger. This is why we also supply this rod, this steel rod. And every foot has, all in all, 4 little holes, which then allow you to move the feet up and down from the outside, and you will always find the right hole to continue the movement.